Hello, today I'm going to show you how to run basic transactions on an ICT 220. I'll show you how to run a sale, a void, as well as a refund. As a bonus, I'll show you how to power cycle the machine. To run a sale, you'll start by hitting the green button and choosing the number that corresponds with sale. Here you'll choose credit, debit, or EBT. So for the sake of this example, we'll choose credit. We'll run our sale for 2 cents and hit the green button to continue. Once you've passed the terminal to the customer or you've received their card, hit the green button and then insert the card. With that, you'll hit the green button to continue. And your sale is complete. You can choose customer copy or not, and remove the card. And your sale is complete. Now to run a void, you'll start off the same way by hitting the green button. On an ICT 220, a void is known as a reversal. So we'll select 3 for reversal. Now we just need to find the transaction that we would like to reverse. In this case, we'll select all, and since we've only run one on this machine, we'll see it here. So we'll select this and confirm the reversal by selecting yes. And we'll select no for customer copy. Of course, if you wanted a customer receipt, you would select yes. Finally, for the basic transactions, I'll show you how to run a refund. To do so, again, we'll hit the green button. And in this case, on an ICT 220, a refund is a return. We'll select 2, and you'll have to put in a password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, and F, followed by the green button. And now you decide if it's going to be returned to a credit or a debit based on the original transaction. Now if we want to do a refund for 5 cents, we'll put in the amount and hit the green button. And from this point, it works just like when we originally ran the sale. So we'll insert the card. Hit the green button to pass that. And with that, your refund is complete. Now, last but not least, I'd like to show you how to do a power cycle. And this is because this is your most important and basic troubleshooting tool. To do so, since there is no power button on this, instead, you simply unplug the unit. And to do that, you follow the cord back to where this box is, and you simply unplug the power. Once it's off, you wait for 20 seconds, plug it back in, and when it comes back online, it has now been power cycled. And that will resolve quite a few problems. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions on this, you can email us at tickets@360-payments.com or chat with us on our website. Have a good day.